Okay, so now let's go to page 94, an interview. Question forms. Here is how you ask questions in English, okay? We usually put an auxiliary verb before the subject. Like, for example, is he your boyfriend? Was he here yesterday? Now, if there is no auxiliary, then we have to use the correct form of auxiliary do. Did they get engaged for the simple past? Okay? Or do you live here? Object and subject questions. If the question word is the object, we use do. Oh, it seems complicated, but it's not. This is a normal question. Look, who did auxiliary, she, subject, and verb. Who did she ask out? And how much? It's wrong here, okay? Correct. How much do they cost? Okay? So you have the auxiliary, the WH, auxiliary, subject, and verb structure, normal question. However, if the question word is the subject, we do not use the auxiliary do. For example, who asked her out? Who drove you to school? The answer is the subject, okay? My father drove me to school. My mom drove me to school. Which one costs more? The blue one costs more. Okay, so you have already learned this. So now your homework is going to be to write the questions to complete the dialogue and use the correct tenses. You have here, look, the questions, and then look at the answers so that you can write the question. No, I haven't. Present perfect. Okay. What be up? Verb to be. Is or are? So was or were? So take a look at the answer so that you know how to complete the questions, okay? You have to do this dialogue here, and then you have to write the questions for the answers. So, Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet. What did Shakespeare write? He wrote Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so we have here, Luhrmann directed Romeo and Juliet in 1996. The answer is Romeo and Juliet. And you have to use this question here as a subject, okay? This word here as a subject. So try. We'll talk about it next class. See ya!